Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you a Dollar General haul, guys. And most of my products is body care items, hygiene products, and then I have some home care products like cleaning products and all that, and then I have some laundry care products that also go along with hygiene and all that.
So if you want to see what I got in my bag, boo, I got these duffel bags, baby. If you want to see what I got in my bag, just continue watching.
So guys, today I went to the Dollar General and I got me some, okay, let me tell you what I first went in there for. So my shower is clogged, so I needed to get some like Drano type stuff. So I went in there for only that one particular product. Then I come up with 3 big bags and 2 bottles, which I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got. And I spent $60-some, close to 70 bucks. Like, boo, who do that in a Dollar General? I guess it's me, because that's what I did. But anyway, let's jump into this thing. So what I first went in there for was some Drano, and boo-boo, I had to get this for $1 called Mr. Plumber, and I hope it works. It says it says cleans, drains in minutes, and it's a 32 ounce, and I only paid $1 for it. So I ended up getting 2 just in case if I need both of them. So I was only supposed to spend $2 at the Dollar General. But anyway, I got more items to show y'all. So first we're going to get into the body care products, because who don't love body care products? So let's jump into this big bag right here. And I have another bag with body care items as well. So in no particular order, I'm just going to jump in this bag and see what we got. So I noticed, first off, when I went to the body care section, I noticed Jergens. Like, I've been seeing this, the body wash all over the tubes, and I was like, I need to get me some of this so I can see how it works, how it smells, all that good stuff. So I got me some Jergens body wash, and it is in this cherry almond oiled infused scent. And then they had this one. They only had one of these, but they had like 3 of these, so I just bought one and one, and these were $5.50 a piece. They were originally $6, but they were on sale for $5.50. So I got the hydrating coconut. And let's smell these, because I didn't smell anything in the store, because I know, y'all know, I had my mask on and everything. So, I'm waiting now just to smell it. That smells really nice. I can smell the coconut in it, so I can't wait to use this. And let's see how this cherry almond smells. Do it smell like the lotion or what? Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like the cherry almond lotion. So that smells really good. Can't wait to use these. And they are 22 fluid ounces. So the next items that I see my eyes on was these 2 body washes by St. Ives. I've never seen these on anybody else's body care haul. So I was like, let me jump on this, because it look okay. It does say new right up here on the top. It says both of them are new. So this one is a St. Ives refreshing body wash. It's a rose water and aloe vera. I always want to say Olay when I'm looking at aloe. But anyway, the aloe vera and rose water. And we're going to see what it smells like. These were $3, and they are 16 ounces. So let's see how this smells, and I guess I'll just pop the top. It smells nice and fresh. The rose water, I'm getting a little bit of the rose water and the aloe vera. Like, I can smell it. It smells really nice and fresh. And then this one is the sea salt and Pacific kelp. And this one, let me see. That smells good too. So I got these 2, and they were $3. Then I'm gonna show you the rest of the body. No, I'm just gonna go with each bag. So then I seen some oh my gosh, can't even talk. I seen some hand soaps. So these were $2. I believe they were $2, and they're from Suave. So I got all of the different scents. This one is the Ocean Breeze, and it says it's refreshing, and it says fragrances as beautiful as Bath and Body Works. It got it right on here, y'all. Look at it. Come on. Hopefully y'all can see it. But yeah, so I got this. It says washes away dirt and germs, won't leave hands feeling dry. Hopefully so, because baby, I wash my hands constantly all day, and my hands are constantly dry. They're peeling all between my fingers and everything. So hopefully these are moisturizing. So the next one I have is the Milk and Honey, and it also says, well, it says on here moisturizing. So, and it also has on here fragrances as beautiful as Bath and Body Works. So let's actually get into the smell, the Ocean Breeze, and see if it smells good. It smells alright. I mean, It's a soap. It don't stink or anything, but it smells okay. So next we're going to get into the milk and honey. Let's see what this one smells like. I like this scent better than the Ocean Breeze. And then I have 2 more because I believe I picked up 4. If I'm not, yep, I picked up 4. So the next one I have is the Rose Water and Aloe, which that's the same as this one as well for the body wash. And it says soothing hand soap with aloe. So let's see what this one smells like. It has a nice little smell. Let me see if it smells similar to the St. Ives. It does smell similar, but I do like the St. Ives smell better than the Suave smell. But I mean, this is a hand wash and this is a body wash. So yeah, but it's cool. And then last but not least, I have the pink grapefruit, and it says it's energizing. Like, who wants, I mean, not to say who wants, but what does energizing hand soap have to do with anything? Like, is it going to make your hands go faster? I mean, like, are you going to just be bouncing off the walls with your hands? Like, what? Energizing? Okay, I can see maybe for a body wash. But for hand soap, I don't know, like, why they put energizing on here. But anyway, we're going to smell it, see if it smells like the pink grapefruit. And it really does, and I really do like the smell. So, got those 4. And then they had a deal for, I got a couple more hand soaps. So, these were actually $1, the Dial, and they are the coconut water and mango. And if y'all don't know, I love me some mango.
So I wanted to, see how these smell. So let's go ahead and smell them real quick. And you can't beat it for $1. Dial for $1. I'll take that. This has a nice smell. It smells like one of those body washes. I'm gonna have to check and see if they have coconut water and mango in a body wash, because that would be really nice. So if y'all didn't know, one of my favorite fruits, one of my favorite flavors is mango. All right, so then it had Dial, Tone, and another brand were having a deal for you buy $7 worth of products and you would get $2 off. So I actually have, let me see, I gotta look in all my bags. Okay, hold on, did I do this? I don't even know if I got $2 off, only because initially these right here that I'm gonna show y'all, they were $2, 2, 4, yep, they were $2. And then this was for $3. So I do believe I had to get $2 off. I have to look at my receipt.
And I didn't even pay any attention, but I got the Dial soap too. They were $2. So anyway, I should have gotten $2 off of 7, which would have given me $5 for basically all five of these products. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the tone. I got this tone right here, which is the Radiant Glow. They did have another tone in there, which I think was Mango. But I wanted to try this one right here. And then maybe I'll go back for the Mango later. And this one says Radiant Glow, Diamond Dust, and Lotus Blossom Illuminating Body Wash. And it's a 16 ounce, and we're going to smell it. It has a nice little fresh smell to it. Nothing crazy, nothing like, I need to buy this. But I haven't had Tone body wash in a long time, guys. Or Tone bar soaps. So I can't wait to try this. And the packaging is pretty, and it got a diamond right there. That's so cute. So yeah, got that. It was $3. And then I seen this, which I've never seen before, Mountain Fresh Dial. Of course, all Dial soaps are antibacterial. And I want to actually smell this. So I'm going to open this here. And it just says the perfect balance of feeling clean and moisturized. And it's a Mountain Fresh scent. So we're just going to open this because I want to smell it. I love smelling products. Okay, I need to open up the whole bar. Because, I mean, I can smell it a little bit, but let's see what the whole bar smells like. And since I'm opening this bar, I will be using this tonight to take a shower. Okay, it got a nice little scent to it. And it's pretty. Nice green scent. I mean, nice green color. So, yeah. Alright, so the next one I'm gonna smell is the Power Berries. And actually, when I did look at my receipt, guys, these were $2, and then they took off 67 cents each. So they must have been on clearance, but I didn't see any tag down there. But they gave me 67 cents off of each at the register. And this is the Power Berry scent. It just says gentle cleansing. And we're going to smell this real quick. Hopefully if I can open it, because, y'all, I don't ever have my scissors when I need them. All right, let's see. Oh, yes, I like the smell already. Let me just open it up. And it's one of those glycerin bars, so it looks like this. It smells really nice. I can smell the berries. So, yeah, got those.
And now we're moving on to home care items, which I seen these little miniature Lysols. I ended up getting all 4 because they only had 4 left.
And I was like, oh, let me get those. And they had them at the Dollar Tree. I mean, I said Dollar Tree. The Dollar Inn spots. So I got these. And they are the Clean and Fresh, Long Lasting Fragrance Lavender Fields Scents. And I'm going to smell it to see what it smells like. It smells really nice. Okay. Usually in a toilet bowl, I either use Lysol or I use Clorox gels. So I got these and they were $1 each. And they are 8 fluid ounces. So you can just find them at in the Dollar Inn spot or your dollar section. Oh, I did see these that I want to try for the shower. These are Shower Burst. It's by Essenza for the brand, and it's pure essential oils, aromatherapy, Shower Burst, revitalizing eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. So I got this one, and it was $1. And then I got the relaxing lavender. So it looks like it just says directions. Turn on warm shower water. Place Shower Burst on the floor of the shower in direct contact with the shower water. And you're supposed to, you know, feel relaxed and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to try these because I've seen people try the Shower Burst or whatever. So next I have some, I like this brand, Spray Away. I have the Spray Away glass cleaner. And now I have the all-purpose cleaner. And it says it kills 99% of viruses and bacteria. And this is a foaming action, tough on grease, soap, scum, and grime. And you can use it in your bathroom, kitchen, and all that good stuff. So it has a refrigerator on here, sink, and toilet. So I can't wait to try this. And then I have me some good old Pine Sol. Now, I'm not a fan of this Pine Sol as far as the smell. I mean, it's cool and all, but I'm not like a big fan of it. But I got this to use in my laundry for disinfecting, because my girl, I gotta shout her out because she's the one that I got this idea from, Chloe Yasmin here on the YouTubes. She uses this all the time for disinfecting, and I actually use the Lysol sanitizer for disinfecting my clothes, but I want to use this too to see how I like it. And this was $2, so I just got the smallest size, which is a 24 ounce. And then, guys, I came across this brand that I've never tried before, but I've seen it on all kinds of commercials ever since the pandemic has started, and it's the Microban. So I seen these, and they were like $3.25, I believe. And this one is, it says Microban 24-hour keeps killing 99.9% of bacteria for up to 24 hours. And this is a bathroom cleaner, and it's in citrus scent. It's in the citrus scent. So I got this for the bathroom. And then I saw the multi-purpose cleaner. It's in the fresh scent, and it was $3.25 as well. So I want to try these two products, the Microban, because I heard so many good reviews on Microban. So last but not least, look guys, bags are empty. Last but not least, I have 2 more products to show you, and it is in the laundry care. I needed to get some more fabric softeners, so I got me some Gain. I love Gain. It's one of my favorite products, and well, favorite brands. And this one is the Gain Odor and Defense Fabric Softener, and it's in the Super Fresh Blast scent. And I believe this was $6.95, if I'm not mistaken. I know if I had the Dollar General app on my phone, then I could do some digital coupons, but I was not prepared. I didn't even have it on my phone, so I couldn't do any digital coupons. But this smells really good. So I got this. And then, last but not least, I got me some Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. So I haven't used Tide Simply Clean in forever. And this one is in the Daybreak Fresh scent. And let me tell you how it smells, because I didn't smell it, of course, in the store. And I don't think I've ever used this Tide before. It smells really nice. So yeah, this was $8.95, and it is 3.78 liters, which is equal to 128 fluid ounces, which is equal to 1 gallon. So I got this, and that is all, folks, that I got in the Dollar General. We've come to the end of the video. Hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And I love you guys for watching. Peace.